Haste bo Manborom ni Bisingtwi Palaijakha Philsnichidok Luku Raida sal asalo state level kotor panda Palaijakha Rajakor aguluni Assam Rifle thungno klawo aboni yagulo hakotor ni banati sawe pandano jeng sawe rekha Haste pa Indro Senare dinalo Bishiburum no hakotor ni dal bidal thayo Palaijakha Philsnichidok Luku Raida sal abo haikino Haste bo Palaijakha o Luku Raida sal taklai bukure aboni pherlaimong koktisalo state level Philsnichidok Luku Raida sal Palaijakha Rajakor aguluni Assam Rifle thungno klawo aboni yagulo hakotor ni banati saka Haste pa Indro Senare dinalo Asali Pandao Manjaka Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Kebengnai Bodolni Ozama Jitendra Chaudhary MP Rajiv Bhattacharya DGP Amitabh Ranjan Tangphang Pradip Kumar Chandok Khobai te Kubun Kusuk Thaini Officers Rock Asalo Banati Sabaimani Yagula Grade of Unar Rawai Haste Phanok Borom Yafarjakha Aboni Yagula Tripura Police ni Bakhakle Dal Bidal Demonstration Phunukjakha
দুজনের নেতৃত্বে আজকের ব্যাটে অংশগ্রহণকারী প্লাটুনগুলো ধীরে ধীরে সালামি মঞ্চের দিকে এগিয়ে আসছে আজকের ব্যাটে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি 16টি প্লাটুনকে ব্যারিকেড দাঁড়িয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে বাইরে আসাম রাইফেলস প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে নায়ক সুবেদার হরিরাম যাদব এর পেছনে এগিয়ে আসছে সিআরপিএফ প্লাটুন
Abo haikino ashalni Pandawa BSF CRPF Assam Rifle TSR Tripura Police Traffic Police Forest Guard no khobai dal bidal platoon no phaimanjakha apanda rokni yagulo Haste pa Indro Senare dinalo Haste ni Luku rokni bagai kokna rekha tei aboni logio Haste hapangni dal bidal samung humung no tuyei kok saka
Philsnichidok Bisingtwi Salno Rikoi Angjato Tripura Haste Luk Rakmo Khaham Tei Hamjak Ma Yafaro Obono Rokoi Chini Shamsha Police Tei Nei Munta Bodolo Raknobo Khaham Yafaro. It is a special occasion for our nation as on this day, that is on 26th January, the Constitution of India adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 came into force and made India a sovereign, democratic republic committed to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Let me begin with the landmark steps taken towards peace and development in Tripura. On March 2, 2024, a historic tripartite agreement was signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura and Tripura Morcha. This agreement promises to address issues related to the indigenous people of Tripura. We also witnessed the successful resolution of insurgency issues. On September 5, 2024, the Union and Tripura government signed a memorandum of settlement with the National Liberation Front of Tripura and the All Tripura Tiger Force, disbanding these groups and bringing peace. I am proud to say that government is on the path of transformation. With the support of the central government and the dedication to our state leadership, we are witnessing progress in every sector, from infrastructure to healthcare, education, agriculture, and the welfare of all communities. I am also happy to say that my government has adopted state's emblem, marking a historic milestone in showcasing state's diverse culture and heritage.
Abuni yagulo panda participate khlainai first second third angnai rokno yafarjaka sokat abnu karibo dal bidal police officers rokno yafarjaka sokat panda ni paithako khlaijaka hukumu panda Bisingtwi na Haste wa naitotoke Palaijakha Luku Raida salno nani bagai tongkosong Luku rokbo thangi manjagi kha Raida Khorang simi Chini Khorang